So the other hardware box has the controller. An important component of the controller is that you need to remove the cover for installation so you don't accidentally damage the connection. The controller has built-in buttons to run the doors. So remove the screw. And when you remove the cover, be careful because there's this wire that's connected. So just grab it here at the base, wiggle a little bit and unplug it, and set the cover aside for installing the controller. Okay, so we're connecting the connector wire into the control housing. Make sure to twist the ends of the wires. And then use a screwdriver to press these white tabs. The brown goes to the side that says RT, the blue goes to the side that says GM. So press the tab, kind of rolls back, stick the brown in where it says RT. The blue where it says GN. And then if you want to clamp the wire in place, you can route it this way. And the clamp will keep it from getting pulled. Next, install the cover. So we got to plug it up first. Wire here can only be connected one way. So when you plug it in, plug in the operator, you should get a green light here, not red.